Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Charizard with cardboard and paper.
Before starting the video, I would like to say something to all of you watching the video. I have made more than 15 videos, so it was the time for watching all of them. While watching, I noticed that some were too confusing, where some were too short, where some videos were not very good.
Hey, Slob is my project, not yours.
Okay, sorry, by mistake. It happened. So friends, from now onwards, I will make video perfectly without any mistake. So let's start making Charizard slash Dragonite. I told that it's Charizard slash Dragonite because there is no much difference between Charizard and Dragonite's body. Only the head and the wings are different. The another reason for keeping this title was because I earlier made a Dragonite, but I could not justify it as Dragonite. So now I am going to teach you how to make the Charizard and Dragonite. First, draw this 3D puzzle and cut it. If you are making Charizard, cut Charizard's head, or if you are making Dragonite, cut Dragonite's head. After cutting all the pieces, it will look like this. If you are making Dragonite, the wings will have a curve like this, and the head will differ. Wait, I will show you how it will look if it's a Dragonite. The fire at the tail will be removed, and here comes the Dragonite's head. Wait. Ah. Now it's the time for covering it with paper. I will teach you how to cover it. First, we will cover the main body of the Charizard or Dragonite. There is no difference between the body of Charizard and Dragonite, both have a large belly. Just watch me carefully how I cover the body of Charizard slash Dragonite with newspaper.
Like this, keep covering the Charizard's body with newspaper and glue. Even though your hands get messy, after you complete everything of Charizard, the Charizard will look very good.
After covering the Charizard's body with newspaper, it will look like this. Now we must punch two holes at this place for keeping the hands of Charizard, hands or claws, like this. Now it's the time for covering the Charizard's claws or hands with newspaper. First we must apply glue and take newspaper and cover it with newspaper. After that we must take strips of paper, roll them and join it with this hand. After covering the claws or hands, they will look like this. After sun drying, it will be hard as rock. Now it's the time for making the legs of Charizard. It will be done like other parts of the body. First, we must cover it with glue and then cover it with paper. Just watch me how I do it. I take strips of paper, roll them and stick to it.
Now it's the time for making Charizard's nails of its feet. Just see me how I do it. It's very easy. After covering the nails and the foot of Charizard, we must assemble them with glue. We are almost done. We are almost done. Yes, yes. And here is it. Our two Charizard legs. Now it's the time for covering Charizard's wing with paper. It's very easy. Just apply glue on the Charizard's wing. Apply in the paper similarly and then cover it with paper. But we must also give Charizard's wing special effect. So make paper strips or foldables like this and join it to Charizard's wing. See, it looks so nice. We have two of them. If you are making Dragonite, you must take Dragonite. If you are making Charizard, you should take Charizard. Currently, we are in the project of Charizard, so we will make it. You can see that I have covered Charizard's head similarly like the other parts and take two paper balls to make its nostril. Now we must make two holes and attach its horns. After attaching the horns, it will look like this. We must make some gap to place the eyes. That's why when it's wet, we must give some pressure at its eyes. If you are making Dragonite, I will show you how to cover it. First, similarly, like other parts of the body, you must cover it with paper and then wrap the Dragonite's head with newspaper and apply some glue to make it steady. Now sun dry it and place the two antennas of Dragonite. After sun drying, they will look like this. Currently, we are making Charizard, so we will take to continue. As we are making Charizard, we will need some fire on its tail. So make a raindrop like something with cardboard or directly with paper. Cover it with newspaper. Make balls of newspaper and attach it to Charizard's fire and then make a hole like this. Now it will look like Charizard's fire and will be easily placed at its tail. We have all the parts of the Charizard. Its head, its tail, its legs. If you are making Dragonite, make hole of in the below the Dragonite's head to attach its head to its body. Now we must assemble it. For assembling, I am taking the fire and its tail for assembling. I will like to suggest something. Before doing anything, if you will stick its legs first, it will be very easy to stick other parts because if you are attaching the Charizard's legs later, it will be difficult for you to join other parts. Now we must join its wings. For that, the place where the wings are placed, we must apply some glue and give some pressure with pen or something. We must make a line like something and then it will be easy for us to place the Charizard's wing. Now we have completely assembled Charizard. I have made holes below its legs so that it will help him to stand. It looks so nice. Now we must paint it. After painting, it will look like this. Looks so nice, huh? I have used orange, yellow and red for its fire on its tail. Now we must give it detail. After painting, after detailing, our Charizard will look like this. It looks so nice, huh? I hope this video will be helpful for you to make a Charizard of your own with just paper and cardboard and some glue. Thanks for watching, friends.